Hi folks, Maurice Goulet here with ProAPC.com. Do you have a book that you've written, or are you writing a book? Would you like to host that book on a special website? Well, you can do it yourself, and today I'm going to show you the 3 steps to be able to begin showcasing your book online with your own website. First, you need a domain name, and I'm going to show you how you can do that for just 99 cents. Next, you'll need a host provider that gives you access to a cPanel with Fantastico Deluxe, where you can install a WordPress setup. And then the last thing that you'll need would be a special WordPress theme that is designed just for authors and their books. So watch carefully. I'm going to show you each step and just how easy it is.
Today we're going to take a look at how you can get a domain name from GoDaddy.com for just 99 cents. Now what I did was I went to Google and I typed in discount codes for GoDaddy, and they have a lot of options, and this particular page has several, but we're going to take a look at one. If you look here on the page, it says 99cent.com domain name promo codes. You simply copy the code, and then you're going to go to GoDaddy.com, and we're going to search for a domain name. We're going to search for a domain name. Now, if you have already written a book, or you plan on writing a book and you know the title, the best thing to do is simply type in the title of the book, or as close as possible. That will help in the search engines. Now I'm about to begin writing a new book that's called Christian Fast Food. So I'm going to search for ChristianFastFood.com. And then I'm going to click search to see if it's available. And yes, the domain is available, ChristianFastFood.com. So I'm going to actually just click the Checkout Now button. And then it says 99 cents because I actually entered the code down here. When I had a promo code, I typed it in. But if it came up with anything other than 99 cents, you simply scroll to the bottom, you enter the code, then you apply it, and it'll give you the price. With the ICANN fee of 18 cents, the domain will cost you $1.17 for the first year. So that's a pretty good deal. You can start your business for just 99 cents. I'm going to talk about hosting. I host all of my domains with Liquid Web. I want to show you several options. You can actually type in Google host providers, and you can see all the available options to you. If you don't want to go through all of that, you can actually host your domain with ProAPC.com. We do have an option on the bottom of the page where you can read more about hosting with us. And it just simply makes it easier for you. You get your domain name, then we'll provide you a piece of real estate in cyberspace, because that's really what hosting is all about. You are renting a piece of cyberspace, and your domain is going to be there, and that's going to be your business address. So the domain name that I just registered, Christian Fast Food, is the business, and I'm going to rent a piece of property, and I simply rent with Liquid Web. As you can see, the options here at Liquid Web, the standard is all you'll ever need, and they charge $14.95 a month. Other providers charge varying amounts. But you want to make sure that your host is going to provide you with cPanel and Fantastico Deluxe so that you can install WordPress without any complications. The benefit of hosting with ProAPC is, of course, you have my support. So in the next part of the video, I'm going to show you how, once you've got your host provider, you will then aim the name servers from GoDaddy to the host so you can begin building your website. I'm going to show you how you go into your domain management section of your register, which is GoDaddy. You're going to find your domain name that you're going to now point to a new server that we just talked about. And I'm going to ChristianFastFood.com. I've got the domain registered at GoDaddy, but I'm going to host it, which means I'm going to rent a piece of property, and I choose to use Liquid Web. So I'm going to point the server and so that it is now sitting on that piece of property with Liquid Web. So I'm going to go up here and I'm going to click Set the Name Servers. It's going to open up, and I've already done the work. I customize it. I type in the server names, and then I'm going to click OK, and that's all it takes. You type in your name servers to the host provider, and then click OK, and that within an hour to 2 hours, the domain will now be sitting on that cyber property, where you can then go into cPanel and access Fantastico Deluxe, and then install a new WordPress blog, and we're going to cover that next. And once you have set the name servers to the provider that's going to give you the hosting, at that point, your provider will set everything up for you, and you'll have access to a cPanel, and that cPanel should have Fantastico Deluxe. I'm going to show you about that right here. There's a lot of options in the cPanel. You can actually watch tutorials. We're here at the ChristianFastFood.com cPanel, and we're going to scroll all the way to the bottom where it says Fantastico Deluxe. We click that link, and it will open to a series of programs that you can use on your website. Here, where you will click on WordPress and install a new WordPress, you'd simply click the new installation link, and it would open to the options. You can install it on the index page or in a domain directory. You can just simply type in, if you wanted to do ChristianFastFood.com/preview, that would be a whole new WordPress site in that folder. You simply enter all the access information you need, like the username, your password, a nickname, and then you simply install WordPress. And when you first install the WordPress, when you look at the themes under Appearance, you have all the options. It actually comes with a default theme. For example, it will look just like this. It's just going to say, hello world, a typical theme. It'll have no options for you on the side except for your default options. So going back to the themes again, we're going to see that this is the theme that we'll provide for you. It's called Author Hub, and we're going to activate it, and you'll see instantly on the side that all the options appear again, where you can upload chapters, you can reviews, you can see the pages, and there's a lot more you can do. We also have a plugin that gives you the option. It's already activated, and it's called Easy Digital Downloads. This plugin will provide you with the ability where people can purchase your book right off your website, and if you're under contract with Amazon, you can simply put a link in there to go directly to your Amazon.com page. And below the video, there are some demo links where you can see the WordPress theme used by other authors, and then some more information below it. Now, here's one that is ColoringBooksUSA.com. They contracted with us to build them a series of web pages for their individual coloring books. So you can click the link there, and you can actually see the preview of this and how they're using the theme. We also have a link to a book that I wrote over 10 years ago, and I'm actually providing this book in a PDF format on our website for just 1 penny, so that you can actually test the plugin that we're including with our theme. And that's kind of exciting, because this gives you an opportunity not only to download a great book, you can see by clicking the table of contents all the great information on preparing your own garden. And I do have chapter previews also that you can read. You just click the chapter preview and you can read a little bit about the book. So when you go back to our website, you can test out some of these demo sites. We give you the ability to have your own easy-to-manage professional website with a ton of features to market your own book.
Well, that's all there is to it, folks. It's that simple. You can get started today. You can have your book up and running online within 24 hours. Check out our website at proapc.com. Look at all the options that are available to you, and if you have any questions, simply contact me. Thanks.